Hello everyone. So let's start our next chapter, which is chapter number 6, Greenland, the land of ice and snow. Okay. So bachcho, we are going to discuss about the land of ice and snow. Okay. So in our previous chapter we have learned about the figure of earth, the topmost part, that is the Arctic Circle, and at the bottom part, that is called Antarctic Circle. Both these circles have are the frigid zones of earth. Okay, means most of the part is covered with ice. Okay, because the sun rays does not reach up to there. Okay, so let's start our chapter. So Greenland, the land of ice and snow. So by the name it is Greenland. Okay, but the land is white in color here. Okay, look at the land here, it is white in color because of ice. Okay, its name is Greenland. It is the place in the North America. So let's start our chapter. Which animal is used by Santa Claus to pull his sledge? Reindeer. Okay, so now the polar regions are the coldest part of our earth. Yes, we have already discussed that the polar regions. Okay, the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. This is 66 1 by 2 degree north and this is 66 1 by 2 degree south. Okay, so these regions are called the frigid zones of earth and these are the coldest part of the earth. Okay, so now these regions remain under ice and snow almost throughout the year. Yes, throughout the year these parts are covered with ice and snow. Okay, so now the human beings cannot live comfortably in these regions due to extremely cold climate. Yes, look, bachcho, here they have used the word climate, not the weather, because throughout the year, the weather of this place is cold. Okay, throughout the year. That is why they have used the word climate here. Okay, now around the North Pole is the Arctic Ocean. This I have already told here, that the northern part, these are the four direction: north, south, west and east. Okay, so northern part, this is called the Arctic Circle and the southern part is called Antarctic Circle or the Antarctic continent. Okay, now we will discuss about its location because we have learned about parallels and meridians. Okay, so location and extent. So Greenland is located towards the northeast of North America. Okay, northeast, which direction is northeast? Look, this is the north and this is the east. So the direction in between these two directions will called the northeast direction. Okay, now it lies mostly within the Arctic Circle, means मैक्सिमम पार्ट कहाँ पर है? आर्कटिक सर्किल के अंदर. ओके, सो एरिक द रेड डिस्कवर्ड दिस आइलैंड इन द 10th century. Okay, Eric the Red discovered this island in 10th century. This you have to underline, that who discovered the island in 10th century. Okay, or the question can be asked that Eric the Red discovered the which island? The Greenland in which century? So you have to write it in 10th century. So to attract settlers, especially from Iceland, Eric named this island as Greenland. Okay, Eric is the person who has discovered the Greenland and he named the island as Greenland. ओके, उसने एक आइलैंड फाइंड किया और उस आइलैंड का नाम क्या रखा? ग्रीनलैंड. सो द टोटल एरिया ऑफ ग्रीनलैंड is about 21.5 lakh square kilometer. Okay, this is the total area of Greenland. Okay, now the island is surrounded by Greenland Sea in the northeast, Denmark Strait in the southeast, Davis Strait in the southwest and Baffin Bay in the northwest. So these are the four places by which the Greenland is surrounded. Okay, so in northeast it is Greenland Sea, in southeast there is Denmark Strait, Davis Strait in the southwest and Baffin Bay in the northwest. Okay, now the Arctic Circle is to its north. So Greenland is about 650 kilometer from the North Pole. Means look, suppose this is our Earth. Okay, so here it is the North Pole and this is the South Pole at sharp 0 degree. Okay, 0 degree longitude. Okay, so look, the part from 66 1 by 2 degree north and the part from 66 1 by 2 degrees south. Okay, from here up to the 90 degree. Look, North Pole is at 90 degree and South Pole is also at 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree south. So the region between this is called the freeze zone or the Antarctic continent, and this is called the Arctic Circle. Okay, so now Greenland is about 650 kilometer from North Pole. Means from this point, the direct, suppose this is the Greenland. Okay, so the distance between this North Pole to this is 650 kilometers. Okay, now Iceland is the nearest European country. Okay, so Greenland is a self-governed province of Denmark. Nuuk, earlier known as Gotthab, is the capital of Greenland. So underline this part, that Nuuk, earlier known as Gotthab, is the capital of Greenland, and make a star here. Okay, now we will discuss about physical features. So did you know Greenland is the largest island in the world? Okay, it is the largest island. So now we will discuss about physical features of Greenland. So Greenland looks white in color. Why Greenland looks white in color? This is your assignment, that why Greenland looks white in color. Okay, so except for the coastal areas means एक side जो है वो sea होगा and एक side land. Okay, now this island remains under permanent ice and snow throughout the year. Yes, because of the low temperature there will be ice and snow throughout the year. Okay, the average thickness of ice covers is about 1500 meters. थिकनेस मीन्स इतना मोटी बर्फ है वहां पर, कितनी 1.5 किलोमीटर्स. ओके, सो दिस आइस कवर्स ऑन द आइलैंड इज कॉल्ड आइस कैप. ओके, नाउ a number of glaciers originate from the ice cap, sometimes where a large block of ice break away and slide down into sea as icebergs. It looks very small as a major part of it remains under the water. The icebergs pose a great danger to the ships in the sea. Okay, look, suppose this is the water. Okay, just imagine this is the water. So suppose the ice looks this much above the water. Okay, इतनी हमें पानी के ऊपर दिख रही है. Then the double will be at below the water. Means this part will be under the water and only 1/3 part will be shown to us, that is above the water level. Okay, so therefore the icebergs pose great danger to the ships in the sea. Okay, they can get collide with that. Look, if there is a small stone on the road, we can kick it. Okay, but if that stone is buried into the soil, अगर वो पत्थर जमीन में भी गड़ा हुआ है and we kick it, then we will hurt ourselves. Okay, in the same way, if the ships gets collide with this part of ice which is dipped into the water up to 2/3 part, then it will cause great danger to the ships. Okay, so because the ice, the 2/3 part of the ice remains under the water. Okay, now the climatic conditions. So as the climate is very very cold, so then only we will discuss the climatic conditions also. So Greenland experience a very cold climate throughout the year. So underline this part. Okay, now there will also be seasons because the revolution of earth around the sun causes the season. Okay, and this part is also on the earth, therefore it also experiences the seasons. So the winter season is about for 9 months. Okay, now the sun is not visible for many weeks, कई हफ्तों तक हम sun देख ही नहीं सकते. So very cold wind blow during the winter season. Okay, look, due to this blowing of wind in the winter season, इस हवा का चलना जो विंटर सीजन में होती है, दैट इज द मेन कॉज दैट ह्यूमन बींग्स कैन नॉट सर्वाइव देयर. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ दीज विंड्स ओनली. So the temperature is always below the freezing point. Look, what is the temperature of the freezing point? That is 0 degree. If we reach up to 0 degree, then water starts to freeze. Okay, water starts to freeze at 0 degree. So the temperature there is always below 0 degree, means in minus, like minus 5 degree, minus 35 degree or something. Okay, so the point, and there is heavy snowfall, like we experience the rainfall in our area, so those people will experience snowfall throughout the year. Okay, because of very very cold temperature or cold climatic conditions. So during the summer season the climatic conditions are reserved. Okay, there is a bright sunshine and the sun never sets for many weeks. The general weather is sunny and the rainfall is scanty. Through some ice melts, कुछ ice पिघलती भी है, yet the temperature remains below the freezing point. फिर भी means during summer season that the sun never sets for many weeks, then also the temperature of that place remains below the freezing point. Okay, now we will discuss the last topic for today, that is vegetation and wildlife. So look, can you imagine the vegetation is possible there in such cold condition? Even I don't think so, but some of the plants are there that can be survived during this very cold climatic conditions. So nothing grows in the ice covered areas of Greenland, means nothing can grow, this I have already told you. Okay, in such cold condition, plants with deep roots do not grow and the vegetation is limited. Okay, the plants does not grow, then only the vegetation is limited. So the main type of vegetation is shrubs, mosses, lichens and grasses. Okay, so some flowering plants are also grow during the summer months only. There are no trees and the crops cannot be grown. So the crops cannot be grown in this or in such climatic condition. Okay, so only those animals which can bear extremely cold weather can live and survive in Greenland. Okay, underline this part, that only some animals or those animals which have a थिक आउटर कवरिंग ऑफ स्किन, मीन्स बहुत ही मोटी खाल होती है उनकी, है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा, एंड दे हैव फर ऑन देयर सरफेस, दैट इज़ वाई दे कैन बियर सच कोल्ड एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस लाइक पोलर बियर. ओके, muskox, reindeer, arctic fox, wolf and seals. Okay, these are the reindeers, means the deers which pulls the sledge of Santa Claus. Okay, these are the reindeers. Now the huskies are used to pull the sledge and for hunting. All these animals have a thick fur over their bodies. Okay, all these animals have a thick fur over their bodies. इनकी bodies पर बहुत घने बाल होते हैं ना. That is why they are able to remain hot from inside. Okay, that is why they are able to bear such cold climatic conditions. Okay, so rest of the topic we will discuss in our next class.